Learning a new language is a wonderful, beautiful thing. You're sipping your coffee whilst babbling away as though it had always been this easy. But wait. That all comes, but first, how do we actually get there? We all start somewhere. And in Swedish,
Vad heter du? Jag heter Lina. Trevligt att träffas.
I am here.
Hello Busy Linguists, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new, and thank you as well for following my Swedish language journey where I aspire to say a little bit more than just du ska inte stoppa köttbullar i nasen and the word for fika, which is the Swedish coffee break. So for those of you who are interested in the lovely Swedish language, love learning languages in general, or you're just here to make fun of me and watch me make a billion mistakes, then you have come to the right place. So let's recap.
2 weeks ago, I started learning Swedish. I picked up a book from the bookstore here in Berlin, Alexanderplatz 101, and watched a bunch of videos from Swedish Pod 101 and this Swedish guy called Erik, and decided to learn some more Swedish. And today, I had my first conversation in Swedish. So this is how my week started. After the Expo Lingua last Sunday, I listened to some Swedish. Not really to my surprise, I couldn't understand very much. So then it came to some vocab revision, Quizlet, my flashcards, I know you got me. And then we went through my list on Saturday morning, followed by watching some more YouTube videos and finally a call with Fredrik to put my Swedish to the test.
Jag kommer från Lettland. Hello Busy Linguists, I hope you guys are doing well. So today was the first day of the Expo Lingua where I picked up this magnificent t-shirt. Can we guys like appreciate this for a second? This t-shirt has like every single European language on it. So this is my new pajama. I absolutely love it. Let's just take some time to appreciate this. But anyway, so today at the Expo Lingua, it was like the Polyglot Conference German version 2.0. Like, it was amazing, fantastic, practicing lots of languages. You guys, by the time this video is out, you guys will have of course seen some of the footage, my vlogs from the Expo Lingua. So if you guys didn't get a chance to go this year, make sure to definitely go next year. And I am just still on such a massive buzz. I was editing some videos before for you guys, and I sat down and I was like, you know what we haven't done today? We haven't done our 15 minutes of Swedish, so that's what we're gonna do today. I have my laptop out here already and I'm gonna listen to a little reading comprehension. And also today I realized after having to really spontaneously speak Russian, which is kind of funny because the Expo Lingua was at das Russische Haus, so like the Russian house, so you know, we might have thought we would have needed to speak a bit of Russian, Lina. So that's what we did. I'm just going to do some Swedish. You're going to practice some Russian as well afterwards. Then I'm going to go to bed because tomorrow is the second day of Expo Lingua and I'm continuing learning my languages, studying my languages, so I hope you guys are as well. Let me know in the comments below as well how your language learning is going. What are the biggest challenges that you are facing right now? For example, for me, it's really being able to read the Swedish and get the melody right, which is why I am going to be listening to this. It's my listening practice. I've got ready on my laptop and I will see you guys shortly.
En man och en kvinna tittar i en meny på en restaurang.
En man och en kvinna tittar i en meny på en restaurang.
En man och en kvinna tittar i en meny.
En man och en kvinna tittar i en meny
på en restaurang.
På en restaurang. En man och en kvinna tittar i en meny. En man och en kvinna tittar i en meny på en restaurang. På en restaurang.
Vad ska du beställa?
Vad ska du beställa?
Pizzan ser god ut.
Pizzan ser god ut. Pizzan ser god aus. Pizzan ser god ut.
Tror jag tar en sådan.
Jag tror att jag... Oh my god. Jag tror att jag tar en sådan. Jag tror jag tar en sådan.
Jag åt pizza igår.
Jag åt pizza igår. Så. Jag åt pizza igår. Ate. Jag åt pizza igår.
Vad sägs om en hamburgare då?
Oh my god. This is like French. This reminds me so much of French. that you don't even pronounce what's there. I'm not complaining, I'm just making a very factual point.
Låter bra.
Låter bra.
Jag tar en sådan.
Jag tar en sådan. Låter bra. Jag tar en sådan. Låter bra. Jag tar en sådan.
We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
Ja.
En pojke läser sin dagbok.
Dagbok.
Vad var det första som pojken gjorde idag?
Vädret var underbart idag.
I know what that means. So a friend of mine messaged me yesterday and I said to him, vädret wunderbart idag. The weather was wonderful.
Jag åkte och simmade på eftermiddagen i poolen. Och jag gick på bio på kvällen. Jag pluggade också hela morgonen. Idag var en bra dag.
Jag åkte och simmade på eftermiddagen i poolen.
Också hela morgonen.
Morgonen. Oh, I love the way that it sounds.
Jag pluggade också.
Maybe not this guy's voice, but you know. Jag pluggade också hela morgonen.
Hela morgonen. Idag var en bra dag.
Idag var en bra dag. Hej.
Hej då.
Hej då.
Vad heter du?
Vad heter du?
Vad heter du?
Vad heter du?
Jag heter Erik.
Jag bor i Stockholm. Jag bor i Berlin.
Vem är med mig, vem är inte? Vem är äkta, vem har filter? Vill de bara ha mina vinster? För alla fastnar som det klister. Vi var här ute när ni var på fest. Ni jagar pengar och ni jagar sex. Vem är pengar på med det kika?
So I'm doing like a little cheat sheet for all the things that I'm gonna say or want to say.
Jag bor i Stockholm.
Jag bor i Berlin.
Jag är 24 år.
Jag är 22 år. Hur gammal är du?
Jag är 24 år.
Hur gammal är du?
Är du?
Är du?
Hur gammal är
That sounds like för gammalt auf Deutsch. Hur gammal är du?
du?
Är du?
Jag tycker om att äta.
Yeah, that's a great phrase. This is my phrase. Jag tycker om att äta. Hej! Läget? Bara bra, tack. Är det bra? Allt väl? Utmärkt. Låter bra. Så. Hej, jag heter Lina. Vad heter du? Jag bor i Stockholm. Jag bor i Stockholm. Jag bor i Berlin. Jag är 22 år. Hur gammal är du? Jag tycker om att äta. Hej, hur kan jag hjälpa till? Hej, Hej, hur kan jag hjälpa till? So this is how I practice my pronunciation. I record myself kind of mimicking the native speaker where I sound really good. Just mimic, guys, just mimic. Jag ska jobba nu. Jag lär mig svenska.
Alright guys, welcome to a revision session with me. So I'm going to show you my top secret tips. Not really, well, what I do to make sure that I remember the stuff that I've learned and that it isn't just something that I've written down once and it escapes my memory completely is I revise it. And I know it sounds super trivial, but let me tell you, if there is one thing I would preach to anyone is to test yourself and write everything down. Just write it down. It just works. Trust me on this one. I've been doing it for years. So how I revise is I grab a list of words or I just open up to a page where I've already written down either a vocab list or any type of short phrases. And this is a method, by the way, that works really well when you need to remember a list of things. So it doesn't have to be just in languages, but anything. So here we're going to look at some key vocabulary that I need to learn. So what I'll do is I will write everything down once and then close everything, put my papers away and test myself on it. So let's say I'm trying to remember 6 phrases. I'll write them down once and I'll close everything, put my books away, and just off the top of my head write down anything I can remember. And obviously this method doesn't really work with having to remember 30, 40 or 50 phrases, but it works well with a short list. And so that's what I'll do. And if there is one key point we boil it down to, it really is repetition. So it doesn't have to mean that you write 20 words down and repeat it 20 times, but you know, it's all about repetition and coming into contact with the language and with particularly the words that you have learnt and that you have been learning, to get them really solidified in your mind and be able to retrieve them whenever you need to. Okay, so hur säger man det på svenska? I forgot the day, so I've got to highlight it. Wow, I got it right. Hur säger man det på svenska? So I don't need any dots. Do you remember how to say kommer du ihåg hur man säger? Okay, no, that was wrong. It's like, vad har du gjort idag?
Vad har du gjort idag?
Vad har du gjort idag? Gjort. Yeah, I need to write this down. Hold on. Yeah, reading in Swedish and pronouncing in Swedish is like a whole other story. Okay, so what happens?
Instead of saying the RT, for example, like you don't say unit, you just say merge and then T becomes bigger and
Okay.
Because normally the Swedish sounds, they're very like they're touching the teeth, still quite a star, front, like we kind of touch the teeth.
Okay.
And you can hear that when people speak with a Swedish accent. They say like, but what are you doing?
But what are you doing? That's so funny.
If you can hear the difference between bord.
Wait, can you say it again?
So bord, table. Bord is like a little house kind of.
Oh, that's what we have in Latvian as well for a small little house. We say boda.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe it comes from Swedish back in the day.
Exactly. Back in the days when you conquered us. Yeah, exactly.
Fett bra.
Fett bra.
That's kind of slang.
That sounds like, hey, this is fett broder.
Hey.
Hey. Läget?
Hur är det?
Bara bra, tack. Och du? Nej, och du? Och då säger dig. Och du?
Nej, och du. Det är bra. Det är bra med mig. Vad heter du?
Jag heter Lina. Vad heter du? This is so funny. Fredrik. Trevligt att träffa dig.
Ja.
Yeah.
I usually say trevligt att träffas.
Trevligt att träffas.
Så, var bor du?
Jag ska vara elev.
Ja, var bor du?
Jag bor i Berlin. Och du? Jag bor... How do you pronounce it as well? I watched this video today, and this guy, he pronounced the bor really deep in his throat, and he was a Swedish guy, and he was like jag bor i or something like.
Yeah, because in the south, the people speak with this kind of R, like it's yeah, i Berlin. That's more comfortable for you, that type of R.
The back of the throat one, or just which one?
Yeah.
I can do both.
The back.
I can do both.
But because I think for standard Swedish is the rolling. But
Jag bor.
Okay, jag bor i Budapest. Jättebra.
Jättebra, yes.
Okej, vad kommer du ifrån?
I don't know how to say Latvian, to be honest.
Är det komplicerat?
Jag kommer från... Du säger jag kommer från? Från. Okej. Jag kommer från
Lettland.
Aha, Lettland. Ah, so it's like in German. Jag kommer från Lettland.
Perfekt.
Yeah. And what's this, okay, wait. Vad är Australia?
Australien.
Australien.
Nu bor du i Tyskland.
Tyskland, that's Germany. Why does Germany have such a weird name? If I say like, I speak German, jag pratar tysk or something.
Tyska.
Tyska, okay.
Så du pratar tyska.
Ja.
Vilka andra språk pratar du?
Okay. Hur säger man Spanish, French, Russian, etc, etc.
Spanska.
Spanska.
Franska.
Franska. Okej. Ryska.
Jag brukar hata på en bro men jag skiter i. Borde man kolla noga, de vill veta vilken hand som de ska bita i. Dunderbrun och Hennessy, känner ni? I Dubai med mina gangsters, walla villa borde sälja vi. Ring med lur, det är upptagen. K27 upptagen, yeah. Tro mig brother, we ballin'. 220 runt min halshaden, yeah.
Så Busy Linguists, det var min svenska vecka. Och vad har du gjort idag? So I hope you guys enjoy this video and following my Swedish language journey. Make sure to comment below what language you are learning at the moment, and if you guys have ever learned Swedish, what are the hardest things that you found about learning Swedish, or really any language in general. Anyway, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to never miss out on anything from the Busy Linguist. I will see you guys next time. Vi ses senare. Hej då!